Yo, Minecraft dudes, want to crank up your game with epic mob animations? Let's install the Fresh Animations texture pack for Minecraft 1.2, 1.4 in just a few minutes. If this vibes, smash that like button and subscribe. Here we go. Step 1. Snag the Fresh Animations pack. Hit the first link in the description. It's a legit CurseForge page. Wait 5 seconds for the ad, then click Download to grab the .zip file, about 3 megabytes, straight to your Downloads folder. Step 2. We need OptiFine to make these animations pop. Use the second link in the description, right from optifine.net. Click Download for the 1.2, 1.4 version, a .jar file, around 5 megabytes. Got both files? Totally awesome. Step 3. Double-click the OptiFine.jar file. A setup window appears. Click Install to add it to your Minecraft launcher. Done in like 15 seconds. Now fire up your Minecraft launcher, pick the OptiFine 1.2, 1.4 profile from the drop-down menu, and click Play. In the main menu, hit Options, then Resource Packs. Click Open Resource Pack folder. It'll pop open a File Explorer window, probably at appdetailroaming.minecraft resource packs. Drag the Fresh Animations.zip file from your Downloads folder into this one. No unzipping needed. Back in Minecraft, you'll see Fresh Animations in the available list. Click it, then click the arrow to slide it to Selected, hit Done, and the game loads the pack. Takes a quick second. Now jump into any world, open the chat, and type /summon zombie or /summon skeleton to spawn a mob. Bam! Check out those slick new animations. Zombies shamble, skeletons strut. It's next level. If animations don't show, restart Minecraft or double-check you're on OptiFine. That's it, gamers. Like, subscribe, and drop your favorite mob in the comments. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.